This is one of my notebooks. It has many seals and poetry in it, drawings. Just thought it would be fun to show. This is actually a drawing I made of Rodrigo when he was reading a book. Sort of alien vampire, I would figure. But the last thing I made in this was actually a declaration of love. It's with a really big heart, but you can't almost see it. I can read it to you if you want. I have found the love I've always wanted. Dreaming the desires are coming to life, and I'm living it for real. Finding freedom in a connection so bold makes me feel like a winner of alchemic gold. Once I was told I would be queen. Now I know it is for the king to behold. His divine wife without strife, it is his life. Adam without Eve is blind, and Eve without Adam is deaf. They need each other. Lilith may come and do as she pleases, but truth is that even she needs someone to hold a true loved one. And to her that is Samael, her infernal angel. May both couples rejoice and find inner harmony in their worlds. Let the chemical weddings commence. Hail Lilith, hail Samael. Love you guys.